Good evening to all. First exercise, subdivision 5. First two questions are very elementary questions. So I will skip to question number C, third question. So what is the set A given? Means set A equal to set of human beings. Set of human beings in a town. Set relation R is defined here. So x comma y, ordered pair x comma y, x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. This is the question given. So we are going to check the reflexivity, symmetry and transitive. So first one, reflexive, true or not, we are going to check. So reflexivity, what is reflexivity? I need to prove that x comma x belongs to R such that for all x in the set A. That is the definition of reflexivity. See that here we can clearly say x comma x does not belongs to R, because a person cannot be 7 centimeter taller than himself. So we can clearly say that R is not reflexive, or is not reflexive. So next one is symmetry. When we can say symmetry, if A comma B belongs to R, which implies B comma A also belongs to R. So if I am taking if x comma y belongs to R, what is the meaning of x comma y? X comma y means x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Suppose reversing means y is exactly 7 centimeter shorter than x will come. Clear? Shorter than x will come. Shorter than x will come. So we can say that y comma x does not belongs to R, because y comma x belongs to R means y should be 7 centimeter taller than x should come. It is not possible. So y comma x does not belongs to R. So we can say that R is not symmetric. Clear? R is not symmetric. So third case, what is third case? Transitive case. So when we can say transitivity, if x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R, this implies x comma z also belongs to R. So I am taking three persons here, such that how that three persons are related means here x comma y belongs to R and y comma z belongs to R. I am taking x comma y belongs to R and y comma z belongs to R. What is the meaning of this x comma y belongs to R and y comma z belongs to R? X is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Similarly, y comma z belongs to R means y is exactly 7 centimeter taller than z. So for example, you can refer this by example. X, y, z, three persons are there. X is taller than y 7 centimeter. So I am taking this person equal to 157 centimeter. So this person should be 150 centimeter, because x is exactly 7 centimeter taller, and this z should be 7 centimeter shorter than y. That is because y should be 7 centimeter taller than z. Now the relation between xy belongs to R, relation between y z belongs to R, but the relation between x and z, what is happening here? The difference between them is 14. So we should write here, but x is exactly 14 centimeter taller than z, which means what? X comma z does not belongs to R. So x comma z does not belongs to R means we can say that R is not transitive. R is not okay. R is not transitive. TIV. R is not transitive. So this question, R is not reflexive, R is not symmetric, and R is not transitive. Clear? Okay. Now next question. Very important question. Most of the student will confuse in this question. So what does the question means? D equal to the same set R equal to set of all human beings. The relation between them. D, question D, R equal to x comma y such that x is wife of y. So relation between them x and y is x is wife of y. So now check the first reflexivity. Check the reflexivity. What is reflexivity? X comma x belongs to R is the reflexivity. We can say that x cannot be wife of x. That is, a person cannot be wife of himself or herself, because x and y means this x must be female, this y must be male. Clear? Then only we can say that x is wife of y. Like that relation we have to take. But here x comma x if we are taking means both. If person cannot be wife for himself, so we can say that clearly x comma x does not belongs to R. So R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. What about symmetry? Symmetry definition is x comma y belongs to R means y comma x also belongs to R. If x comma y belongs to R. So what is the relation between x and y? X is wife of y. X is wife of y. So x is wife of y means we are inversing or reversing. Y is not wife. Y is husband of x. Y is husband of x. The relation is not coming here. So clearly we can say that y comma x does not belongs to R. Clear? Because x comma y, x is a female, y is a male means x is a wife of y. But reversing means y must be husband of x. So this relation y comma x does not belongs to R. So does not belongs to R means what I can decide? R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. What about transitivity? Transitivity. So transitivity means I need to show that x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R. Then this would imply x comma z belongs to R for transitive. If this does not belongs to R means I can say that it is not transitive. See here, very important case and a very confusing case here, very important case. Because if x comma y belongs to R, so what is the meaning of x comma y? I said already, x is wife of y. X is wife of y. But I unable to find y comma z. I cannot find, because for example I am taking x is one person, y is another person, z is another person. For example, well known example we can take that x is Sita, y is Rama, z we can write any one person Hanuman, like that we can take Hanuman. So we can say that x is wife of Y. Sita is wife of Rama. But I am unable to find Y comma Z, because if I need Y comma Z means Y must be female. Y must be female. So X is female means Y is male here. So X comma Y belongs to R. I am unable to find Y comma Z belongs to R. So I can say that this relation is transitive. Clear? Because it is not contradicting the transitive property. So it is not contradicting the transitive property. It is not contradicting the transitive property. So R is obviously transitive. So this relation is not reflexive, not symmetric, but transitive. Clear? Thank you. Next video we will see the problems 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you all. Subscribe and share.